Now, Greater Manchester Police are going public with some of the more spurious 999 calls received over the festive period in an effort to raise awareness about abuse of the emergency services. The force received nearly 1,400 calls between Christmas Eve and Boxing Day, but only a fraction of callers actually needed urgent help. One woman called because her cat was annoying her.
This Manchester Police, how can I help?
Hiya, love. Look, this is an emergency. It's been going on for 2 hours now, and it's doing me head in.
Hey, what's happening there?
My cat's been playing with string.